Hi, my name's Andy Chipling. I'm a paper plane professional. What I'm going to do for you now is I'm going to make you a Canard Troop Transporter. This one, you fold it in half like so. Now we're going to fold this side down like so. Leave a little gap. Don't fold it right to the edge. And again, the same on the other side here. Now we're going to open this up. And when we open it up with these flaps down. And what we're doing now is we're folding this into the center here. Again, we're leaving a gap. We leave a gap so the paper can fold naturally. Once we've done that, we've got this shape here. Now we're going to fold this back on itself, and then we're ending up with a plane like this. We squeeze that together, and because we've left this gap in here, these shut really nice and easily. Now we're going to fold the front end over, and then we fold this over again here. Fold that down like so. Again, nice and squeeze these things nice and tight. Now we'll open this up. Make sure it's quite even. You need it to be quite even. Now we're going to fold our canards over, and these make little legs, which is quite cool. And again, we're doing the same on the sides here, on the back ends of the wings. Not as high as the tail, but almost. We're just doing it's about 5 or 6 millimeters. And again, the same on the other side. If you get it as even as possible, that's really good. Now we're going to cut a tail in the end of it, and we can do a funky tail on this one, quite a cool one. We can curve it like this, which makes it look really good. It's like a dragon's tail almost. And then that goes in like so. Again, we're going to reverse that fold there. So we're going to squeeze that down there. And now, just make sure the symmetry, which means the left and the right are the same. Have a look at it, see if it looks square. And then once that's done, you'll find this is a really gentle and nice flowing plane. We can throw that towards you like so.